child, I cannot do denim in summer in the South. God bless you all who live where you can wear denim all year round. I wish I could because I absolutely love denim, but I'm not interested in making any visits to the emergency room. Come on in, child. Spring's upon us, and we're going to get these outfits together. I'm going to run through about 5 looks that are warm weather friendly, and we're going to make them spring ready. So, if you're ready, so am I. Let's go. Welcome to my channel. My name is Zarana. You can call me Z. Here I talk about fashion, beauty, and mostly styling. Because the most important thing about fashion is that you express your personal style and not be cookie cutter or a trend chaser. You can take bits and pieces of trend and fold them into your current wardrobe so that you can always look like you. Now, let's get into the first look. Now we're going to take this very wintry look. It has the fur, we have the texture, the winter white, very soft, elegant, a slip dress underneath with the snakeskin boot we love. It's a knee-high boot and it's giving winter definitely. So that's a bit too much for the spring weather. So to switch that up, let's drop the coat and put on our trusty blazer. You know, we get a lot of use out of our blazers here. I love this one. Has a strong shoulder. Has a strong shoulder. Let's speak correctly. Has a strong shoulder and the cinched in waist. We give a little shape and silhouette to the whole look. Same boot, but let's switch it up. So what we can do is tuck this underneath your brassiere. It's a very good hack. I don't like using pins on this satin fabric like this. I don't want to put holes in that. I do not want to ruin, something that I bought. Why would I want to ruin it with putting little tiny holes in it? So we can go with this. Kind of look like a pin tuck situation. Kind of looks like drapery here, like it was intentional. It's a high-low moment. You get to display your boot, show them off, give them a little shine. Of course, you can button this up for a full-on silhouette look. We still have our drape detail here. Very nice, very cute. We are sophisticated ladies. But we're going to give you a little thigh meat. Okay. So that's transition number 1. Okay, so what I did was drop the boot and lighten up the whole outfit. We have the white blazer with a lighter shade of the burgundy maroon wine colors and a off-the-shoulder t-shirt. It's a lot lighter and cooler. And I am trying the sandal and sock trend. I'm liking it so far. Of course, you don't have to do this. You can just completely go sockless. I basically have on a strappy sandal and I just wrap the straps over in the same place on the ankle to give the same gathered effect I had with the boot in the winter look. And this is a lot lighter, very spring-like, very fun, a good, cute evening look, which is what you're looking for in spring. I decided to bring out the whites. Of course, this brightens up the whole look when I accentuate the white. This is the spring version of that winter look. We dropped the trench. We don't need it anymore. And we dropped the boots as well and went for a boot-esque sneaker. It has a heel on it. It's not a chunky sneaker. It has a slight chunkiness look to it, but it's really not that high. It's more of a heel situation more than anything. And it's a beautiful croc embossed leather, which is very on trend. This look is more of a preppy take with the oversized button down underneath with the crew neck sweater on top and a cute little a slightly pleated mini skirt in denim. Denim is good for pretty much every season except for summer. If you're in the South, I can't do it, baby. So next look, to de-winterize this outfit, we are going to go with a Chanel inspired vocal crop blazer with the silver detail. We have this boho-esque dress thanks to Chloe. Boho chic is still trending, and you'll see it all through spring and the retailers. Of course, people are getting into it, and like the previous dress, we're going to do a little style hack with it. So just grab one side, whatever side is good for you, and gather to a length that you're comfortable with, and just tuck that thing right up in there, and it'll stay. See, it'll stay put. So I have on shorts underneath because it's still maybe a little breezy, and you don't want to show all your goodness, grace, and mercy to the people. Okay, we have the drape moment. It looks very haphazard. We like that, giving a little more elegant up front and free spirit down the bottom. So that's cute, that's nice. We like this. It's very comfortable, very spring-esque, very good for brunches, a day event, a little date night. It's a little breezy. You can still stay warm in this. And grab a little white bag, cream color bag, your silver accessories, and you are spring ready, my dear. Let's see what else we can get into. Now for our very last spring transitional look, I took away the layers. I do have a heavier knit for those cooler spring days and nights. And it's a more casual feel, more laid back. We still giving fashion and elegance. I made it a sneaker looks for comfort. This is my theme for spring and summer is comfort. So I am going to be embracing the flat sneaker trend. And so I like to mix my textures and my good old trusty crossbody. I love a good crossbody. The color of the bag and the shoes kind of lighten up the color palette, even though this is a heavier green. Greens are going to be trending for spring more than usual. I'm not really a green wearer, so I really don't pay attention to the greens, but it looks like we're going to see more green than usual this spring. So if green's your color, be on the hunt for those sales to get your green gear together. So that's my winter and spring transitional looks that I have for you today. Thank you for watching. Please comment on your favorite look. Are there any trends that I mentioned that you're going to be incorporating into your outfits these warmer months that we have ahead? Let me know. Drop me a comment, like, share, and subscribe. We are happy to have you to join the crew over here, and I would love to see you in the next video. Bye.